Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be looking at the news that why are the juvenile elephants or the baby elephants dying? What is the reason behind it? So if we talk about elephants, so elephants are a huge animal and it represents the health of our ecosystem. And as of now, what is happening in the state of Kerala is that a large number of juvenile elephants or baby elephants have been seen dying, and the reason behind this is a rare virus. Now what is this virus? If we talk about the elephants, so the population of elephant, if we talk about, there are basically two type of elephants. One is the African elephant and other is the Asian elephant, and India possesses the Asian elephant. So the IUCN status of a Asian elephant is endangered. And if we talk about the population of elephants in India, then on the first number it is Karnataka, second it is Assam, and third it is Kerala. And the herd of a elephant is always led by a female. So this is few of the things about the elephants. Let us look at the points of discussion. First we'll be looking at the news, then the report with regard to the death of juvenile elephants. What does the report talks about, or what are the findings of the report? And then it is about the virus which is responsible for the death of the juvenile elephants, and that is the elephant endotheliotropic herpes viruses. Then why are elephant herd smaller, and then about the status of elephants in India, and then in the end a prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is environment and also species. The news talks about why are juvenile elephants dying in Kerala. Juvenile elephant, so who is considered to be a juvenile elephant? An elephant who is below the age of 10 years is considered to be a juvenile elephant. So the new report has been released by the Kerala government, and this report has revealed a significant decline in the population of juvenile elephant over the last year. And juvenile elephant means aged 10 years and below. Either the elephant has to be at the age of 10 years or below 10 years. Then what are the findings of the report? So what does the report talks about? So the name of the report is Elephant Population Estimation in Kerala 2024 in Kerala. So it is specifically talking about the state of Kerala. And it is an annual survey of Kerala's elephant population. Annual survey means once in a year. Then it is a part of a synchronized interstate exercise across Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Interstate means between different states. So this time the states are Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And the reason is to address the problem of rising human-elephant conflict across state borders. So it has been reported that the state borders of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, a large number of elephant-human conflict can be seen. It means that the elephants, the wild animals, are coming in contact with the humans. So that needs to be addressed. Then the block count method has been used to see the declining population of the juvenile elephants, and the state's elephant population in the year 2024 is estimated to be 1793. So 1793. And what has been observed is a decline of roughly 7% over the previous year. It means as compared to the year 2023, in the year 2024, 7% decline in the population of elephants have been observed. Then 845 elephants have died. 845 elephants have died across the state's forest and elephant reserves between 2015 and 2023, with the death rate increasing over the time. And so it talks about that the death rate is increasing with each passing year, and this is what is causing a concern, that why the number of elephants death are increasing. Now what has been the reason with regard to the decline of population, elephant population, and that is the death rate in elephants has declined with the increase in age. So it is not that the age factor is contributing to the decline of population. That has not been observed. Age factor is not the primary factor. So what is the primary factor which is the reason behind the death of animal or the decline of the population of elephant or the juvenile elephant which are below the age of 10 years in the state of Kerala? So that is, the juvenile elephants are particularly susceptible to a virus, and the name of the virus is EEHVs, that is the elephant endotheliotrophic herpes virus. So the name of the virus is what you have to remember. It is EEH. E for elephant, E for endoheliotropic, and virus is herpes virus. So elephant endoheliotropic herpes virus is what is the reason behind the death of the juvenile elephants. Then 40% that death rate has been reported by the EEH. So the age factor, the increasing age of the elephants are not the primary cause of the death of the juvenile elephant. It is the EEH virus, and around 40% of the elephant deaths are because of the EEH virus. Now what is EEH virus? So EEH virus stands for elephant endoheliotropic herpes virus, and it is a class of novel double-stranded DNA herpes virus. So it is a double-stranded DNA virus. This becomes important to know whether it is a RNA virus or a DNA virus. It is a DNA virus, and it is double-stranded DNA virus. And the cause is acute hemorrhaging in juvenile Asian and African elephants. So both Asian and African elephants are susceptible to it, and it leads to the hemorrhaging. Hemorrhaging means the blood. So the bleeding either outside because of the wound or inside because of some problem in the blood vessels takes place. So it causes acute hemorrhaging. And the severe cases causing death within 24 hours of infection. It means that it is very highly infectious in nature and highly deadly and contagious in nature, because it causes death within 24 hours of infection. 24 hours. Then the endangered status of the Asian elephant, EEHV, pose a dire threat to the conservation efforts. Now India has launched many conservation efforts, and one of the primemost being the Project Elephant, and this EEHV virus causes a major threat to the conservation programs to save the life of the elephants. Then the young elephants are particularly vulnerable on account of the lower EEHV specific antibody levels compared to the senior. Now why the young elephants or why the juvenile elephants are so prone to it is because they have not developed the effective immunity system or the effective antibody that can fight against the EEHV virus. While as compared to the young or the juvenile elephants, the senior elephants have been able to develop the antibody or to develop the specific immune system that can fight the EEHV virus. One of the primary reason can be the long lifespan of the senior elephants, and then as compared to the juvenile elephants, the senior elephants, the herd immunity has been developed in the senior elephants. Now why our elephant herds are smaller? So if we will look, then the elephant herds, if they need to be larger in size, they need the habitation like that, they need the forest like that, they need the large elephant reserves like that, they need the food like that, and the ecosystem also has to be like that. But as the industrialization is increasing and as the urbanization is increasing, what is creating problem is that the stretch or the natural habitat of these elephants is what is coming under the industrialization or the factory input basis, and with that the problem of the natural habitat of the elephants is reducing in size, and this is one of the major reasons that why the elephant human conflict is also on a rise. And this is because the difference between the humans and the elephants or the humans and the animals is reducing. That gap which was earlier because of the large stretches of forest or because of the large stretches of natural habitat or because of the large stretch which the elephants or the animals were getting in their natural habitat, now that large stretch is not there, that stretch is becoming less. and that is one of the reasons that why the large herd size of elephants as of now is not seen moving together. The small herd sizes are seen moving together. Now, if we talk about the elephants in India, so Karnataka has the highest number of elephants, which is followed by Assam and Kerala. Then if we talk about the conservation status, then the Asian elephant IUCN status is endangered. Then if we talk about the CMS status, then Appendix 1, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, it comes under Schedule 1. And then if we talk about the CITES, the Asian elephant is under the Appendix 1 of CITES. So this is with regard to elephants in India. And in the end, a prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section, as it is a PYQ of the year 2020. The question talks about, with reference to Indian elephants, consider the following statements. Indian elephants, there are 4 statements given. First, the leader of an elephant group is a female. The maximum gestation period can be 22 months. An elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. Till the age of 40 years only. Extreme word. Among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Kerala. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 4 only, 3 only, 1, 3 and 4. So, if we talk about a few things that we know, as I just talked about, highest population is in Karnataka. And if you go by the rule, not exactly the rule, but basic things, then there is one extreme statement given. And first statement is what we have discussed in the video. So it is the second statement that you have to go and see. So when you are done with your question, so give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.